Hi, I'm Chef Charlie Ayers, owner of Calafia Cafe in Marco de Gogo in Palo Alto, California. Today I'm going to make for you fall off the bone curry chicken. This is a great dish in the winter time or even in the summer. I really love it in the winter though. We will take our yellow curry spice rub that we make ourselves at home in the restaurant. We'll rub the chicken 24 hours in advance. I'll sear the chicken. I'll remove the chicken from the pan. I add in my onions, garlic, ginger, my fenugreek mustard seeds, and I cook all that until it's translucent. Then I'll put the chicken back into the pan, add my stewed diced organic tomatoes, add my coconut milk, and I'll allow that to cook for anywhere between, for 2 chicken thighs like this, it'll take you about 1 hour and 10 minutes. If you want to do something like this in a crock pot before you leave for work in the morning, you're just going to turn it on a little bit of a lower temperature and it can go all day long. You end up finishing the dish with your cilantro and jalapenos. If you want the dish to be spicier, you can put the jalapenos in first. As the chilies cook longer, the Scoville units in the dish itself intensifies. So after the dish is done, you end up with this really great, fantastic dish, which I like to serve with brown rice. You can serve it with lentils, you can serve it with quinoa. I've seen people even enjoy it with mashed potatoes. So I'll keep my brown rice covered. Then what I have here is this really great, delicious, fall off the bone braised yellow curry chicken. I like to use the thigh meat. It has more flavor and it really delivers a really rich, satisfying taste. You just finish it at the end with a little bit of cilantro. And this is a great, easy dish that you can make ahead of time, or a quick dish that you can make at the end of the evening after you get home from a long day's work. I'm Chef Charlie Ayers, owner of Calafia Cafe in Marco de Gogo in Palo Alto.